Hi friends, good evening. Today, 19th May 2022. F&O Pulse. F&O Pulse is future and options pulse. You will be catching the pulse of futures, options and equity stocks. By using this particular chart you will be able to enter into the market easily. There are more than 75 unique screens available in F&O Pulse. F&O Pulse idea of introducing what is F&O Pulse to the outside world is very good. As for the data part is concerned, we source the data and it get auto refresh every minute. This all are live data. We analyze this data using several data analysis and put the data in quick readable form through data visualization tools. Once the open interest in the total number of outstanding contract at the particular strike, what you are referring to is the liquidity. So F&O Pulse will be very useful for your intraday trading. Let's go into F&O Pulse now. This is the login screen. Once you log in, you have to go into dash. Once you log in, it will be taking you to the home screen. In home screen, you will be finding the global market Dow futures and our bank Nifty futures, INDBX, crude oil and USD INR. This will be making you to better understanding how our today market going to open for the day. The Dow futures, crude oil and the USD INR, these three, if you analyze, you will be understanding how our market will be going on. Now, once you understood this, you have to go to market info. In market info, there will be a number of advance and decline will be listed here. In the advance side, it's showing 10 and decline side, it's showing 176. So, let's go and see Bank Nifty, all the decline side, the market is almost 800 points on downside. So, it's showing us all are in negative decline. Then Nifty 50. In Nifty 50, only 3 stocks are in advance and balance 47 stocks on decline. Whenever you see a price change of more than 1%, you can select this particular stock. There will be a volatility according to the price action. If you know price action, according to the price action, you can understand the market and take your trade and book minimum 5 to 12 points or 15 points easily in intraday for trading. With this help of the market info, the price change percentage, either bullish or bearish. If you see a green one here, it is in bullish side. If it's in red one here, you can bearish side. You can select a sell stocks for intraday. Definitely, it's going to perform for good for this one. Next step, you are going inside the Nifty. After market info, Nifty. We understand and analyzing the Nifty. Analyzing the Nifty using the PCR trend, OA interpretation, technical trend, and trend rating, and technical strength. This all are common for every users will be using for intraday players. So the PCR trend, if it is bearish, the market will be in bearish. The explanation was given in other videos, you can check it. In the OA interpretation, short built up, technical trend is neutral and trend rating is neutral. With the 12 parameters, we calculating this. With technical trend, the neutral and the trend rating is neutral. Out of 12 parameters, 8 technical trends are in neutral side. So the overall 8 trends are in neutral. Market is neutral. Like that, you can identify the futures current month, Nifty May, Nifty June, and July futures are listing here. The same way you can see it for current month stocks. According to that, the current month Nifty future stocks, future stocks. So that you can be understanding the market understanding. Next is Bank Nifty. The same way what I explained, the same condition is applying for Bank Nifty also. Next step is strategies. In strategies, you will be understanding the intraday future stocks according to which the buy value is given. You can go for your future trade equity stocks and options. All any of these three, one you can go for your trade according to your capital. All these are future stocks explained here. So the values listing here all are futures. First, let's see about Indigo. The entry price is given as 1677. It went today, day high is 1685.60. Almost you got 9 points, 9 points profit in this. You can find when that 1677 got executed, what time it got executed. The 1677 was given by above. The 1677 entered at the time of 9:48 a.m. to 9:51 a.m. So according to that, you can go for this one. The whichever the background is in green color, 3 minutes green candle. Red color, it's a 3 minutes red candle found. So according to this, you will be executing a trade. Almost you getting 9 points profit in the intraday trading itself. Next is ITC. The same way ITC also entry point was given as 264. You can find 260 what time the 264 is executed. The 264 is executed 9:21 to 24 a.m. 3 minutes candle. The 264, but it went day high up to 274. Day it's to 273.50. The next stock we're going to say is AU Bank. The AU Bank here the entry is 1262. The day 1276. Same way you can find the 1262 at what time it got executed. That 1262 it's executed around 9:54 to 9:57. So you will be starting your trade according to that and you will be completing the trade. Next, let's see about futures. In futures, OA data analysis is there. In OA data analysis, you will be having all the details of Bank Nifty futures, how the OA change day high, day low, the level breaks of this all are candles form how the candles are forming with every 3 minutes. Nifty, the same way Bank Nifty you can check it, stocks you can check it, the overall candles you can check it here. The bank chart, in futures bank chart, you can find the 6 bank stock all together in one page. So you can understand how the banks are performing, at what level the banks are performing. You can change the timings here. You can change the timings here and see the thing. Next is bank analysis. Bank analysis, the major banks which is for going to understand, decide the Bank Nifty, the HDFC Bank, ICC Bank, SBI, Kotak, Axis and Indus. So these 6 banks we are listing how the whenever the long build-up is happening, long unwinding, short covering, short build-up. All together you can see it on one page. According to that, you can go for your trade. Options, OA data analysis. OA data analysis, you will be finding the strike price. The strike price you have to find it through long build-up. Today no long build-up is showing to now. When the market is running up, there are many long build-up was happening. That means, for example, if you taken this 33,600 and it open at 175, it will day high up to 475. If you find out around 250 rupees trading value, the value is trading around 250, you may got a good profit. But in Bank Nifty, we always suggest you to get 40 to 50 points minimum profit and exit the trade if you are a beginner. You trade with one lot in beginning and you can increase your lot size after 2 weeks when you got confident. Like that, you have to select the strike price as Nifty and Bank Nifty is also Nifty and Bank Nifty, and stocks also you can select it here. In Nifty, the same way you can select the strike price. The today day open is around on 50 rupees. It went high up to 180 points. which means almost 20 to 25 points if you get for intraday trading, it's sufficient for you for one lot in Nifty. You can go for stocks also here. By selecting the stocks, you will be understanding the strike price, how it's going in the market. Now, active strike price. This active strike price is very important. Here you will be showing the call OA and put OA, the OA difference. Let's see about the OA difference. The OA difference, whenever it's above this zero line, it is bullish. If it is below the zero line, it's a bearish. This will be forming like this. It will start like this. After 3 minutes, it keep changing. It keep changing. The graph will be started drawing like this. If the graph touch the morning, it went high, and again it started touching the zero. Then we have to watch the market and understand, and the market it is going to be bearish side or around downside. So we can easily understand this how it's going to perform according to your 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. You can change your time frames here. The same way you can check it for Nifty also. The Nifty zero line is here, so it started. We all know that it's a bearish thing. The plans are available here. If you have any doubt in this particular things, you can contact us directly and get your guides clarified. In screens, there is a screeners. Here there are many there are open day previous day high low breakout list is the many list are available. Each and every list was each for the individual traders who are taking decision using VWAM, RSA, two pivot points. So according to your strategies, you can select your screens and implement your strategy into the trading. Here I will be sharing the profit shared by FNO Pulse user by today trade. They have chosen the strike price using FNO OA data analysis. Yes, so here they understand that 15,900 there is some more longer build-up is happening and the volume change is happening. They have taken one lot. That means the 50 quantities, one lot. They entered around 70 rupees 15 paise, and they sold it around 94 rupees 10 paise. For one lot, they got profit around 1,970, 1,197 rupees. Very, very good profit they made it for today. So this will be helping you to understand the market of FNO Pulse. If you trade with a minimum quantity in beginning, that will be very useful. This user is very clearly traded and got this profit, and thank you for sharing this profit with us. Welcome. Thank you to all traders for watching this video. Happy trading.